comes to your mind when you hear artificial intelligence? Maybe Siri or Alexa. They are reactive, right? You ask, they answer. Now picture an AI that doesn't wait for your command. You ask it to book a flight, and while you're sipping your coffee, it's also finding the best deals, picking your seat and sending you the confirmation. Sounds cool, right? That's agentic AI. Autonomous, proactive, and designed to make decisions. And here's the kicker. Agentic AI isn't just a futuristic concept, it's happening now. Major companies like Meta and Amazon are already integrating AI agents into their platforms, handling tasks from shopping to booking travel. And the job market is booming. Roles like AI agent developers, prompt engineers, and automation specialists are in high demand. So, are you thinking this sounds amazing, but where do I begin? Don't worry, we have got you covered. Our experts have carefully crafted a 5-phase roadmap to guide you in learning agentic AI. In this video, we'll focus on phase 1 to phase 3, and in the upcoming video, we'll dive deep into the subsequent phases. So make sure you stay subscribed and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. But before we begin, there's a quick information for you guys. We are conducting an absolutely free live masterclass where we will guide you on how to land a high-paying career in agentic AI even without prior experience. At K2N Academy, we have helped more than 45,000 individuals land their dream jobs, and you could be next. So grab this free opportunity, register through the link given in the description below. So let's get started.
Okay, so phase 1 is foundation. So first, you need to understand AI. So it's about machines doing tasks that would normally require human intelligence, like understanding language or recognizing patterns. So now while we talk about LLMs like GPT-4, Claude, or Gemini, these systems are designed to understand language and generate human-like responses. So explore concepts like prompts, which is how we communicate with AI. Then hallucinations, which means when the AI gets something wrong or makes things up. And then there is context windows, which means how much information the AI can remember at one time. So these basics will help you interact effectively with LLMs and set you up for success with more advanced topics later. And once you understand the AI basics, next you can move on to focus on prompt engineering, which is one of the most powerful skills you'll need in the AI world. So the way you phrase your prompts can make a huge difference in the quality of the responses you get from AI. So you can dive into different prompting patterns like zero shot, where you ask the AI to do something without providing examples, or few shot, where you give the AI a couple of examples to guide its response. And then there's train of thought prompting, where you ask the AI to break down a problem step by step. So during this, try to fix the broken prompts. So this will help you understand how small tweaks in your prompts can improve the AI's responses and make them more useful. So now that we have covered the basics, your next step would be to dive into the 4 types of generative AI that you must know. So understanding these will help you know when and how to use them in different scenarios. So the first one is automation. So these are perfect for automating simple repetitive tasks like scheduling or data entry. Then comes RAG, which stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. So this AI not only generates content, but also retrieves relevant data from external sources before creating its response. So imagine an AI that would do some research before answering. Also, we have created a detailed video on agentic RAG. So you can click the I button above to watch the video. Next, there is AI Agent, which is a smarter version of automation. So these AIs take actions based on specific goals, such as an assistant planning your day or booking a flight. And then there's agentic AI. The most advanced agentic AI can think, adapt, and make autonomous decisions. So it's like having an AI that learns and improves its actions over time without constant supervision. So you can then apply what you have learned by classifying real-world tasks into one of these categories: RAG, automation, agent, or agentic AI. So this will help you understand which AI is the right tool for the job. So once you have got a strong foundation in phase 1, you can dive into phase 2, which is agentic AI tools. And in this phase, you can explore the tools that make it possible to build real AI agents even if you don't know how to code. That's the best part. So here you can start with no-code tools. So these are fantastic for beginners and those who want to create AI systems without writing any code. So you can use tools like Cognosys, Relevance AI, Make.ai, and N8N. These tools let you design AI agents using drag and drop logic, which means you don't need to worry about coding or setting up anything complicated. So each of these tools has its own set of advantages and limitations. For example, Cognosys allows you to quickly build and deploy bots, while Relevance AI gives you some powerful features for building AI-driven workflows. And the best part, these tools are designed to get you up and running in no time without any technical hassle. Also, you can try to build a customer support bot using Cognosis, where the bot will be able to perform basic tasks like searching and summarizing information. So it's super simple to use, and you will have a working AI agent that can respond to customer queries. And after that, you can try using NA10. So this tool is slightly more advanced. Build your own AI agent using NA10. And by doing this, you'll understand how to create workflows and automate tasks. So it's a perfect step up from using no-code tools. So once you've gotten hands-on experience working with no-code tools for AI agents, next step into the world of low-code tools. So these tools give you a bit more flexibility and control over your agent's behavior. You can look at tools like Crew AI and Langflow. And while you don't need to be an expert coder, you'll still have to use a little bit of code to customize your agents. So with Crew AI and Langflow, you'll work with YAML and flowchart logic. So learn how these tools use flowcharts to map out the logic behind your AI's action. As your projects get more complex, we'll need more control over the logic and behavior of your agents, right? So low-code tools offer that flexibility. But for now, we'll keep it simple. So think of this as exploration to see what you can do with these tools. And now that you have the tools and foundational knowledge, it's time to dive into phase 3, which is real-time use case mapping. So this phase is all about applying what you have learned to real-world scenarios. So it's where theory meets action. So you should start by understanding the different types of functional use cases that exist. So you have to focus on the following. The first one is repeatable use cases. So these are tasks that AI can handle repeatedly with minimal variation. Examples include automating email sorting, appointment scheduling, or answering frequently asked questions. The second one is decision support use case. So here AI is used to assist in decision making, like providing recommendations based on historical data or helping HR teams screen resumes based on specific criteria. The third one is assistant use cases. So these involve AI taking action on a user's behalf. So think of a personal assistant scheduling your day or AI systems that help with task management. So as you go through this, think about real-world examples and map out how AI can improve these tasks. And once you understand the different use cases, the next step would be deciding which AI technology is a right fit for each task. Not every use case requires the same AI tool, and that's where fit mapping comes in. So here you need to evaluate your task and score it using the following factors. So one factor could be time, like how much time do you have to complete the task. AI tools that automate repetitive tasks might be more suitable for time-sensitive use cases. Then there is control. Like, do you need to maintain full control over the process? Or is the task low risk enough for AI to handle autonomously? And then there is stakes. Like, if the task has high stakes, like a legal contract review or financial decision making, you might want a more human-guided or decision support AI. And then there is repeatability. Like, can this task be done over and over again without much variation? So if so, then automation is a good choice. So to solidify your understanding, you should score your use cases using a fit matrix. So this exercise helps you decide whether RAG, automation, or agent AI is a right fit based on the nature of the task. So once you map out use cases and choose the right AI technology, next it's time to break down the roles of your AI agents. So think of this as creating the blueprint for your AI-driven solutions. And this is where you will plan out who does what in your AI systems. So first you have to understand that your AI agents will have different roles, like planner, actioner, reviewer. So planner means this agent's job is to figure out what needs to be done and create a plan to get it done. And then there is actioner, which is once the plan is in place, this agent takes action and gets things done. And then there is a reviewer. So this agent checks if the work is up to standard and makes improvements as necessary. So you should now apply this by creating a 3-agent map using templates with the roles clearly defined. So you can use the no-code tools you explored in phase 2 to bring this map to life and put it to the test. So doing such exercise will help you structure your agents effectively.
And that's phase 1 to phase 3 in a nutshell. This foundation will set you up for everything that comes next. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss our next part. Also, we have a video on complete GenAI roadmap which you can watch it over here. Also, before leaving, let me once again remind you of a free live masterclass. Do grab this opportunity and start building your dream career in Agentic AI. Thanks for watching.